Did you know that? Cassowary, the living dinosaur of Papua. Meet the cassowary, often called the living dinosaur. This huge, flightless bird lives only in the rainforests of Papua and Maluku, Indonesia. It cannot fly but runs very fast and swims well. Look at its hard bone helmet, bright blue head, and super sharp claws. This amazing bird helps spread seeds in Papua's forests. Help us protect this unique wildlife. Sadly, its home is getting smaller every day. Let's protect this amazing rare bird for the whole world to see. Subscribe!